Double, you mentioned newcomers. Just a word on Edwell, his performance tonight.
No, superb. I mean, we know him as a striker. We know him for the crazy celebrations in Varsity Cup with machine guns and all that sort of stuff. To see that, his defensive work, his aerial work, his work rate, this is a guy that we're really excited about for the future. Sibilla wasn't meant to play. He did an ankle. Yes, he came on a walking stick yesterday. I'm not joking. He came with a walking stick. And we planned our whole thing around Sibilla wasn't playing. And we said, when he came today, I think he got some muti or something because it's a funny shaped walking stick that he had with him. But he's also coming on great in 15s. I think towards the end of Super Rugby. So exciting. Yeah. I feel a bit bad that perhaps some guys didn't get enough game time, but that we had to get across the line.
Bringing on JD for Jono. I know he maybe got tired. Is that a plan going forward, maybe?
Yeah, well, John, it's actually, I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm not sure how serious the injury is. He had a lot of problem with his elbows and his biceps. I'm a bit nervous about him, about his injury. But we did train JD at 7 the whole week. We actually, because we knew that, like I said yesterday, he's not on Thursday. He's not maybe 80-minute conditioned yet. But he was going really well. We're actually going to pull Jaco Coetzee off until his injury came. But I mean, JD Schicklin made a massive physical difference. And I think what is nice for us today was our locks went really well. I think Saman, for under 21 lock at that level, he was dominating, and Chris was going well. So I think JD made a massive physical impact. So maybe next week we'll be looking at, Trocky's out, looking at JD staying on the flank because he covers ground quickly,